Hiya folks, good to see you. We've got a few things to do today. One is we've got to go around and see Lee Van Camp because Gary's going around there to do a bit of leaf blowing, but the leaf blower is playing up at the moment and it needs a new pull cord thing on it. So Gary's having to start it up with the drill to get it started. Where is it? Alright, here it is. We've got an issue with this, as I say, so we'll show you what we have to do to get it started. Now the weather's been really lousy out here, folks, as you well know. I've got a blinking cold now. I've called that off a baby Frank. So let's get in the log cabin. What's this doing here, Gary?
Yeah, I had to pinch the front colour. No, what did I take off? The front brake lever.
Yeah, this is an old scooter which he has bought for spares, wasn't it? So you've still got that one which you're working on at the moment.
Yeah, I think it's just odds ends to finish up on it now, and MOT really.
Yeah, so he's just going to sort that out. So nothing's happening out here at the moment, folks. As you know, we've been away to Whitby, if you watch my other channel, Butler's Empire. And just coming in here, we've got the Peugeot Moped, which is just finishing off odds and ends on that. But you've seen that on the on your channel. Oh no, you've not shown the last bit, have you?
No, I ain't been on the. I've covered the seat.
Oh yeah, yeah. You done the seat. You just bought a bit of that vinyl, and it wasn't a fitted seat cover because you couldn't get one, could you?
Yeah, about 90 quid though for one.
Oh right. And how much was that vinyl?
8 quid, I think.
8 quid, folks. There you go. So he just done that using that. It's just tidied it all up. All them black plastics you see there, they was all grey originally, so it just looks a lot smarter black. So this thing, the issue he's got with this leaf blower is.
Well, that petrol cap's open.
Oh, is it? It did tell me that. Look. Oh, you're using my two-stroke, are you?
Lee, you owe him some breakfast, mate.
Yeah, so we're doing this for Lee Van Camp. We're going to go around his house and blow all his leaves out. So he's just filling up with petrol there. But what? You said there was an issue why you couldn't get that, wasn't it, or something?
What, the recall?
Yeah. Or you just not bothered buying it?
No, I did. I don't know where they're in there somewhere. I bought a pair of 2 of them. I put this model number in wherever it is on there now.
Right.
And I went to the garden company. I can't remember what garden company
Garden
it was.
Hire Spares, no?
No, it weren't Garden Hire Spares. Another one. I put the details in. Yeah, he said, yeah, that's it. So I thought I'd buy 2 of them.
Right.
Just as a backup, because there was only about 15 quid for 2. It didn't fit.
None of them fit. Right. So
too big.
Oh, really? So let's just put that lid on there. Get the cloth, wipe that down with a bit of cloth. So just get that back on there. Yeah, I'll let you tighten out. Lift what my hand. Lucky it was empty then, wasn't it? Otherwise I would have tipped all blinking petrol everywhere.
Well, I taught you, didn't I?
I haven't tightened it up fully. Might just give it a nip up. So, turning that on its side there, as you can see, that's the bit he needs, this thing. But it's actually been welded before, isn't it?
That's been welded on that,
See, look, someone's had this problem before. He didn't buy this new. Where'd you get it from? It was a...
I bought it from one of my lawnmower blokes.
Oh, right. So, someone's obviously welded that before. So, all Gary's been doing is putting a nut over there and starting it. But because the nut won't go on fully, because of them blinking 3 welds someone's put on there, the nut's virtually rounded off now. So, we could have a bit of an issue starting out. What size are you putting on there?
I can't remember which one I gripped it with.
Failing that, the only other thing to do is to get a bit of wood or something. Take that little plastic thing out and wedge a bit of wood in there with a little cutout in the middle and spin the wood.
Yeah.
That's the only other thing you can do, I suppose, that way. So you're struggling with a socket size now, aren't you? You might have to go imperial on that or whatever. So as long as we can get it started. This one's got the... is that the choke on the side here, isn't it there?
Yeah, there's a primer bulb right up there.
And there's a... oh, right in there, folks. Look, really awkward to get to. It's a little bit stiff, actually, that primer bulb. So I'll leave that to you to start up. But it's been a good leaf blower, this though, to be honest with you. So a couple of other things coming up, folks. I've just been sent a 2,500 watt power bank, which is ideal. I've got a smaller one. Oh, sorry, I've got a bigger one, which is the Blue Team, which I've done a review on my other channel, Butler's Empire. I'm not too sure what channel I've actually got this unit to do the review. It might be this one. But I'm going to do some, as you've probably seen if you've been over to my Butler's Empire channel, we did some outside cooking with a little primer stove or camp stove or whatever. And someone mentioned, why don't you take a power bank? Well, the Blue Tee is a little bit too big to carry about. But now I've got this 2,500 watt one, ideal to put in the back of the car, so I might give that a go doing some cooking. Anyway, that comes a bit later on another channel maybe, or might be this channel. I'm not too sure which one they wanted it on. But yeah, there we go. I'm still a bit chesty. So here we go. Let's try and give this a go then. Chokes on, you give it a few primes, but that might slip.
Yeah, it does.
Did you push the primer up?
Yeah, I've primed it.
That's probably on its last knockings, that, isn't it?
It's not got long left on it.
Yeah. So we'll have to get a little grinding wheel in to cut them welds, and then obviously get the nut off and try and find the right parts for it. That's what it is, folks, by the way, look. It's an AG1VL AMA guard, whatever that is. When did you take that choke off on this? Hey? That's what he caught, look.
See that bar's too big, look.
Yeah, the place is way too big. So that won't fit in there, is that what you're saying?
Yeah, totally wrong. But I left it too long so I couldn't send them back.
Right. There you go. Alright, let's get outside. Yeah, it's actually not too cold today. It's about 5 degrees today, people, but the garden's in a right state and I'm not working out here to tidy it up, so I'll have to wait. Just going to run it up a bit first. Right, let's get this round Lee Van Camp's and I'll watch because I'm not well today, folks.
Oh, you sound like him, I just spoke to him.
Have you?
He's in bed ill, he said.
Oh, here we go. What's the matter with him?
He's got the flu or something, he's had it for 3 days or so.
Oh, here we go, here we go. So he might not be coming out to play then.
You might not see him though.
Oh well. Alright, we'll go round now. See you in a minute, folks. Oh well, here he is. He's not well, folks. Say hello, Mr. Camp.
Hello, Mr. Camp.
Come out, I can't see you in the shadow.
I'm not well, mate.
You're in the shadows. Move nearer the step.
I'd rather be in the shadows.
So you're not going to say hello to anybody?
Hello, everybody.
Oh, that's alright. This is on the Retrorestore channel, by the way.
Oh, yeah. And it's funny how your viewers double when I'm on it.
They don't. I'll tell you whose viewers have doubled. Simply Whitby. We give him a shout out on our Butler's Empire channel. I think he got about 300 people.
Yeah?
Yeah, oh yeah. That's on Butler's Empire, folks. We just come back from Whitby if you're interested in that one. Anyway, so you're not going to come out then. I better go and see what Gary's up to. I can hear the old leaf blower in action. Has he got to come through here this side as well?
He's going to do whatever he can.
Well, he's
He's got to jump on the skip.
He's only got a bag for life.
He's got to jump on the skip.
Oh no, don't say that.
It's flat, it's all
It's all cardboard.
yeah, it's all cardboard.
I don't want to get too near to him, folks. He's got something and I don't want it. See you in a minute. He's just trying to get rid of all these leaves, folks. Can you imagine trying to do that with a shovel? You wouldn't do it. That's where these leaf blowers are really handy tools, people. He's going to blow them all the way through. Right, Gary's made a bit of headway with the pathway, just shoveling these into the skip now. But there's so many leaves here. That's one of the troubles, people, of having big trees overhanging your garden. Look, all these drop into the garden. There's so much waste leaves here. Unbelievable. And the skips ain't cheap now. I think the skip, what he's got here, I think it's £235.
260,
How much?
260.
260, here we go. This is an 8-yarder, I think, by the looks of it, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's an 8-yard builder skip, folks. £260. Terrible price they charge now. I remember when they was 80 quid. That was going back a few years ago. Anyway, just coming around here. All this was all covered up. Gary's blowing them all through to there now. But looking at the Trans Am here, as you know, this has got all bubblage when he had the fire. And he's got a date for that to be repaired now. That goes right down to the doorway there. So that's all going to be repaired. And here's the Mustang. Again, all this was right up to the seal line. Actually, you can see it needs a wash down and all that, but that's where Gary's had to blow all the leaves out and all that. So yeah, again, all this extra work which has got to be done all around here, which is Gary's just blown. Coming around here, all this has been blown through, blown all the leaves through to there. What's that? Oh, that was off of his Corvette Stingray when the engine bay caught fire. Look, that's a bit of remnants left over from it. Look, that was parked just there where that Mustang is, and that one was parked here where the skip is, and the heat rose up from the bonnet of this and actually melted all the front of that Trans Am there. So that's what happened there. But as you can see, look how deep these leaves are. Look, that's halfway up the skip near enough. Look, and that's only part of it, people. We've got the other half to do. But lucky enough, it's not a windy day today. But he needs to get that covered up and get that skip taken away afterwards. But as I say, he's indoors. He's not well at the moment. I'm not well at the moment, but I've had to come out and obviously try and get a video out for you guys. And we'll carry on, and we'll see you in a minute. All right, we're getting there now. A lot of work here, people. So much work coming through to here now. It's a bit clearer anyway. Coming through into here now. Look, all this has got to be blown through. Look, there's so many leaves through here. Look at that. Look. Very difficult to do it without them blowers, folks, I tell you. That is actually AstroTurf there. Right, there you go, folks. That took about, how long? Hour and a half?
2 hours, isn't it?
2 hours?
At the most.
And it's still not done, folks, but as you can probably see, it's a lot better than what it was. There's still loads of rubbish to get rid of. If he needs another skip, he's got all this lot to go over there and over there as well, but at least he's got a walkway now, and as I say, it's a lot cleaner than what it was. And I've never seen that before, folks. Look, AstroTurf growing weeds out of it. I've never seen that. And even growing real grass out of it, Gary. Look, you seen that?
That's what he does.
Hey, I've never seen that before. Right, just a little bit of a tinkering video, this one, folks, but we've just got to find a replacement part for that to get that pull cool thing sorted out. The other two he's ordered the wrong size, but as you can see, without that sort of thing, if you were shoveling that all the time, you'd be here forever bagging that lot up. A lot of it's in the skip now, a lot of it we just sort of pushed around the corner, but as I say, that's for another day. Anyway, thanks very much, folks. Hope you've enjoyed this little tinkering video. We will see you in the next video, and until then, bye for now.